So I'm going to play a song now called The Irish Ballad. It's a song written by Tom Lehrer. Does anyone know who he is?
Yes.
Okay. He wrote this song, only he played it on the piano.
Right.
So anyway, I'm going to play this song. I played it in Lehigh this last year. And I've had several people tell me I had to play it again. About a maid I sing a song, rickety-tickety-tin. About a maid I sing a song, she didn't have her family long. Not only did she do them wrong, she did every one of them in, she did every one of them in. One morning in a fit of pique, rickety-tickety-tin. One morning in a fit of pique, she drowned her father in the creek. The water tasted bad for a week, and they had to make do with gin. With gin, they had to make do with gin. Her mother she could never stand, rickety-tickety-tin. Her mother she could never stand, and so a cyanide soup she planned. Mother died with a spoon in her hand, and her face in a hideous grin. A grin, her face in a hideous grin. She weighted her brother down with stones, rickety-tickety-tin. She weighted her brother down with stones and sent him off to see Davy Jones. All they ever found was bones and occasional pieces of skin, occasional pieces of skin. She set her sister's hair on fire, rickety-tickety-tin. She set her sister's hair on fire, and as the smoke and flame rose higher, she danced around the funeral pyre, playing a violin, playing a violin. One day when she had nothing to do, rickety-tickety-tin. One day when she had nothing to do, she carved her baby brother in two and served him up in an Irish stew, inviting the neighbors in, inviting the neighbors in. And when at last the police came by, rickety-tickety-tin. And when at last the police came by, her little prank she could not deny. To do so she would have had to lie. And lying she knew was a sin, and a lying she knew was a sin. About a maid I sing a song, rickety-tickety-tin. About a maid I sing a song, she didn't have her family long. Not only did she do them wrong, she did every one of them in. So that song is actually